Welcome to Fluent Phonics. Today, we will discover the proper pronunciation of the word citrus. 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 Here's an example of how one might use it in a sentence. The refreshing scent of citrus filled the room as she peeled an orange. Citrus refers to a group of fruits known for their high vitamin C content and tangy taste, including oranges, lemons, limes, grapefruits. Thank you for your time. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe for further content.